Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in home of our English 205 English Literature 1 course. And what do we have on our home bulletin board? We have my Zoom office hours are listed here. They're Tuesdays and Thursdays 1 to 2 p.m. and by request via the Canvas inbox over here. And we have the directions how to access my Zoom office hours. You click on this URL during office hours, okay? All right, scrolling down. We have our week 4 to-do list in modules from May 4th through the 10th, 2020. And we have Le Mort d'Arthur, The Death of Arthur, which we are going to be discussing, which is a wonderful medieval work. Okay, what do we have right below this? We have an image of the young future King Arthur pulling Excalibur from the stone, which only he can do as the predestined future king of England. All right, below Arthur's image, we have a reminder that free tutoring is available online. Okay, let's scroll up and let's click on week 4 in modules. And this takes us into Le Mort d'Arthur, The Death of Arthur. And I want to remind you that you have the to-do dates for the essay. Complete the essay by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, May 8th, 2020. And of course, part 2, peer evaluations responses. Complete 2 peer evaluations by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, May 10th, 2020. And please do not forget to read these directions all the way through, because you also need to respond to anybody who conducts a peer evaluation of your essay, as well as to me if I ask you questions in your thread. So read this very carefully, please. All right, I'm scrolling back up. I'm taking us into home to remind you that I do have Zoom office hours, and to end on this great image of the young future King Arthur. All right, let's have a good week, and I hope you're doing well, you and yours, in this COVID-19 era.